Let's face it, the way we work is changing. Gone are the days of clocking in and out at a stuffy office. Today, it's all about freedom and flexibility, and that's where remote work comes in. Millions of folks are ditching the daily commute and trading their cubicles for home offices. Why? Because remote work offers a better quality of life, plain and simple. Remote work means you're in control. You choose your hours and your workspace. Plus, you get to say goodbye to those soul-crushing commutes. But here's the best part. You can earn good money from the comfort of your own home. That's right, no more suits and ties. Just you, your laptop, and the opportunity to build a career on your own terms. So, what exactly is remote customer service? Think of it as being the voice of a company, but instead of answering calls in a call center, you're doing it from your couch, your kitchen table, or maybe even your backyard. You'll be helping customers with their questions, solving their problems, and making sure they have a positive experience with the company. Now you might be thinking, what kind of companies hire for remote customer service? Well, the answer is a lot. From tech giants to online retailers, tons of businesses rely on remote customer service reps to keep their customers happy. And the best part? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. If you've got a knack for helping people and a positive attitude, you're already halfway there. One of the biggest perks of remote customer service is the flexibility it offers. You're not tied to a rigid 9-to-5 schedule, which means you can design your workday around your life, not the other way around. Need to pick the kids up from school? No problem. Have a doctor's appointment in the afternoon? Easy peasy. With remote customer service, you're in the driver's seat. But it's not just about convenience. This kind of flexibility can drastically improve your work-life balance. Imagine having more time for your family, your hobbies, or even just for yourself. No more rushing through dinner or missing out on important events. Remote customer service gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms, and that's something worth getting excited about. Section 4, Communication, your key to success. Now, let's talk about the skills you'll need to thrive in a remote customer service role. And trust me, you don't need to be a tech whiz or a coding guru. The most important skill you can bring to the table is good communication. Remember, you'll be the voice of the company, so you need to be able to communicate clearly, concisely, and with a smile in your voice, even if you're not face-to-face. Whether you're answering emails, responding to live chats, or hopping on a call, your ability to listen attentively, understand the customer's needs, and provide helpful solutions is what will make you successful. And hey, a little patience and empathy go a long way too. After all, everyone gets frustrated from time to time, and your job is to be a calming presence guiding customers towards a resolution. Section 5. Launching your remote customer service journey. So, you're ready to ditch the daily grind and embark on your remote customer service adventure? Great, getting started is easier than you might think. First things first, polish up that resume. Highlight any experience you have dealing with customers, even if it's just from a previous job or volunteer work. Emphasize your communication skills and your ability to stay organized and manage your time effectively. Next, start searching for those dream remote customer service jobs. There are tons of online job boards and websites dedicated specifically to remote work. Don't be afraid to cast a wide net and apply to any positions that pique your interest. And remember, preparation is key. Practice your interviewing skills and be ready to impress potential employers with your enthusiasm and your passion for customer service. Section 6. Your path to a rewarding career. Starting a remote customer service job isn't just about earning a paycheck, it's about investing in yourself and your future. It's about gaining valuable skills, building your resume, and opening doors to new opportunities. The world of remote work is vast and growing rapidly, and with dedication and hard work, you can climb the ladder and create a fulfilling and successful career, all while enjoying the freedom and flexibility that comes with working remotely. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap. Embrace the possibilities, and start building the career of your dreams, one customer interaction at a time. The world of remote customer service awaits, and it's ready for you.